Do you know what it's like to feel so in the dark? To dream about the life where you're a shining star, even though it seems like it's too far away. I have to believe in myself, it's the only way. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gotta let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me.
Hello? Hello? Who's in here?